Alright, there again, It's been a while, You know, come through on one video and kind of like deal with one of them big topic that we have to deal with. You see me topic them way. And everybody want touch, but it have to get touched. Sometimes we need to talk about things to kind of help to solve problem and help to solve things, you see me I say. But we deal upon one topic today, Tonight, rather, first of little night one. So we are going, you see me I say. So tonight now we want to deal with the topic of gender equality, in the workplace, so them talk about how the woman them fi balance family life and balance the workplace and stuff like that. But for me, it's a woman for going to the workplace. Yeah, woman for work and woman for fulfill them dreams and woman for get their aspiration out there. But woman have to understand, say, listen, you are the tie part to the family. Yes, I mean, I say woman are the woman respond to the family on a high level. You see me, a man just can do a thing. You see me, I say. You see me, a man just can do a thing. So we not say no woman nothing in the system and I get them thing done. But woman have to remember, say them have them duty as a woman to breed family and make sure say the family reach by one level. You see me, I say, a man just can do more and who are made for grow them family. You see me, I say, but no one are made for grow them family and to all me see some woman are behave and some people are behave. It's like I made them a look for grow them family. You see me, I say, so me no see it like that. You see me, because made one go grow fame family too. You see me, I say, you don't want no maid, you don't want no maid to grow your family. You see me. So woman have to know that too. Say, listen, me a mother, I'm supposed to take care of kids and make sure say everything alright in the house and everything. You see me, because for me, if me have the real opportunity to breed my family with my wife and everything, my wife supposed to leave the house a little later than me and the kids and come back to the house a little earlier than me and the kids, because the woman's supposed to see that the kids them go off to school and everything is alright, which that's the way it's supposed to be, because the father will even bring the kids to school, but the mother have to make sure everything is alright too. You see me, I say, and when the kids come from school, mother have to make sure say yes, we talk to the kids them who are going to school or what school, this and that. So mother, the woman them needs to know say, I not just work and try to achieve them goals and everything. Because nobody now fight a woman to achieve them goal and everything. But woman have to understand say you have your job as the man as his job to the family to make sure so the family are right and protect the family and financially and physically and everything. That's the man's job, and make sure say you play a father role, but a woman have to know that too. Say fear thing is to make sure say the house good and everything alright and kids grow properly and everything. You see me, I say we want to revolutionize woman too, as a man you have to give woman powers. But we can't left out the family part of the thing. It's if you left out the family part of the thing because a woman say want fulfilling goal and he can't get for balance in life within family life and him job and them something. You have to be careful where you do, else we're not going to have no family in the future. You see me? We're not going to have any family in the future. We're not have no family in the future, because a maid now come to try to grow your family, because the maid have fear family for grow to. You see me, I say? It's just a part of getting a job to make sure say she can earn certain amount of money to help feed her family and certain things. That's why she do certain things. But as a woman, you have to kind of remember that. Say you have your duty towards the family to make sure that the family brought up the right way and things going along the right way. You get me? Because want a maid to cook for your husband and a maid responds for the kids them, and when the husband come home sometimes spend more time at the yard with the maid. That's why you have some maid take over some people's yard. You get me? The husband come home and the husband keep on have more time at the yard with the maid, and the maid that take care of the picnic, and the maid that cook food, and the maid that wash clothes. It come like the maid of the wife. So woman have to understand. You get me? You have to understand about the family part. Don't just think we just want to achieve a goal and we know that. And no man now fight that. But you have to balance the thing. The thing need to be balanced. You see me? Okay, and that's why in a long run you have some woman becomes like lesbian because they want to do everything just like a man, and when they do everything just like a man, they becomes a man. You see me? So them think them can go look woman and deal with woman, but you get me? That's another subject, that's another thing. But as me say, a woman have to know, you know, because if every woman are going to do like what every man do, in the future we're not going to have a family. You see me, I say, and a family bred good kids. You see me, we're going to end up with every woman have a child, and then no man no did it, because when the picnic them come, or when the picnic born, and she a try to do everything, she end up where she and the man break up, and them, you get me? I say, so woman, ladies, you have to remember your duty. You know, and we have to revolutionize woman, because if the woman didn't revolutionize, we can't have good kids, you know. You see me, I say. But if you remember, say, family background, and a woman tie up the family. You ever see one yard where the woman dead out of the house and left the man and the kids them, and they just run down to nothing? Sometimes the man are dead and left the woman and the kids them, and the yard still a run power and level. Because the woman, they fit tie the family and make sure the family intertwine and have everything together. You understand me? I say sometimes you have to understand, say, in a means like that, the woman is really powerful to the family. So these are the whole thing we are talking about on one level, you know. These are the whole subject. So, you know, we want the woman to fulfill them dreams and reach to them high level and the highest esteem that they can reach. But they have to remember, say, family are them job. You know, you have to make sure, say, the family are right and balance the thing. So, dear man, so leave a comment and just make we talk about this, and anyone have a better input on how them think you should have dwelt with them situation and how them situation have to deal with. You can make your input and put an input in and let me know what I go on. You see me, I say leave a comment, man, in the comment, and make we have conversation about this. But that's something when me think me have to put some juice in, you see it? If I put some juice in it, you get me? So click the notification bell and just subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and give you a like and a share, and just leave a comment. You understand? Just leave a comment. So we out. If you don't want to.